Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Foreo Luna Fofo, and I'm also going to be showing you a demo as well as how you can use it with the app to create a personalized skincare routine. So this is the Foreo Luna Fofo, and I received this in my summer FabFitFun box. It was an exclusive launch, so if you didn't get a chance to watch that video, I'll have it linked in the YouTube cards as well as in the description box below. This product alone retails for $89, but if you pay for FabFitFun, every season the box costs $49.99. So this season we got this along with a whole bunch of other really cool products. So if you haven't signed up to FabFitFun, I highly recommend them. I think it's the best lifestyle subscription box out there right now. So I'll have a link in the description box below along with a playlist so you can check out some of my past unboxings. So anyways, this is a smart facial cleansing device, and it has T-sonic pulsations that help to remove dirt, oil, and any makeup residue. And it's made from silicone, so it dries really fast. So there's not going to be a whole lot of bacteria buildup like your typical facial cleansing brush. So that's something that I really love, is that it's very hygienic. Hygienic or hygienic? Whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. I don't have to worry about changing any brush heads, so that's something that I really like about this. And as you can see, it has lots of little points on it, and the majority of them are thin and small, and this is perfect for areas like the cheeks and the forehead. And then you'll notice that at the top it has thicker and bigger points, and this is perfect for deep cleaning. So I like to use this around my nose, my forehead, and my chin, pretty much the T-zone area. And this is battery operated, and it claims to last for up to 400 uses, which is absolutely amazing. And that's another reason why I love this device, because I don't have to worry about charging it. You know, with regular face brushes like the Clarisonic or other face brushes that I've used before, I have to constantly be charging them, and then sometimes I just forget. So I'll be in the shower wanting to wash my face, and then I go to turn it on and it's not turning on because I forgot to charge it. And days will go by and I just forget. So I end up just using my hands, and we all know that that's not the best way to clean your face. So anyways, with this, I don't have to remember to charge it because it's battery operated. So I really love that about this. But I think the coolest thing about this device is that it has Bluetooth technology. So if you look on the back, it has two little gold plates, and these are skin sensors. So these are basically going to analyze your skin, and it's going to create a completely personalized skincare routine that targets your specific skin issues. So I just think that's really, really cool. So all you do is download the app. I believe the app is called Foreo for You. And you download that, and it's going to ask you a few questions like your age and your skin type and things like that. And then what you want to do is turn on the device. You just hold the little power button on the back. You hold it for like 3 seconds, and then you'll see that it's going to start blinking. And that's when you know that it's ready to connect to your phone. And then you just follow the instructions on the app. It's going to tell you to press and hold this on your left cheek, your right cheek, your forehead, and your nose. And this doesn't take long at all. I want to say it's even less than 30 seconds. So it's pretty quick. And what it's doing is it's measuring your hydration levels. So once it's finished doing that, it'll pull up your skin profile or your skin analysis, and it'll give you more information about your skin type, your skin age. It also gives you tips on how to improve your skin, and then it'll let you sync your customized skincare routine to your device. So I personally think it does a really good job of measuring the moisture levels. I've been testing it out for a few weeks now, and I've even tested it out on the same day. One day I did the skin analysis right after I cleansed my face, but before applying toner and moisturizer, and it said that my moisture levels were low. And then I did it again after I applied my toner and my moisturizer, and it said that my moisture levels were above average. So I think it's really cool that it can do that. Now, as for the skin age, I feel like it just says whatever your age is, because it does ask you how old you are in the beginning, and I feel like that's exactly what it says. So I don't give any credit to this device for telling me my skin age, because I feel like it's cheating. It always just says my actual age. And then of course you can use this device without the app. I used it like that for several weeks and I still loved it, but the app just makes it more personalized, so I don't see why anybody wouldn't want to do that. But whether you sync this with the app or not, the way you use it is going to be the same. Basically what I do is just run this underwater, and then I pour a little bit of my face wash on it, and then I just press the power button and I start cleaning. And your Fofo will pause to tell you when to move to the next area based on your personalized skincare routine, or every 15 seconds, I believe, if you decide to use it without the app. So I absolutely love this brush. I've been using it non-stop morning and night ever since I got it. I love that I don't have to worry about charging it or changing any brush heads. It's really easy to keep clean. All I do is just add a little bit of Castile soap on it and I run it under water and it's good to go. And I think this is perfect for any skin type, even sensitive skin, because it's very gentle, but it also does a really good job of deep cleaning my skin. So when I go to apply my toner, my cotton round comes out clean. You know how sometimes you wash your face and you think you did a good job of cleaning it, but then you go and wipe your face with toner and makeup is still coming off? Well, that doesn't happen to me with this because it does a really good job of cleaning my skin. And then of course, nothing beats having your own personalized skincare routine, because everybody's needs are different. Everybody's skin types vary, and even our own skin will fluctuate from day to day. So I really love that this device acknowledges that. It's kind of like having your own skincare coach, and you can customize your skincare routine even from day to day or from morning to night. So in conclusion, I think this is a great device to have. It's a great alternative to your traditional face brush, especially if you're tired of charging them or if you're tired of having to change the brush heads. I think this is really awesome. And if it personalizes your skincare routine, I think that's even better. So I hope you guys found this review helpful. If you have any questions about it, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to help with whatever I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!